Hello, thanks for joining me again for another math lesson from the Browns Math Center. Today, we'll be focusing on part 4 of solving equations. We'll be focusing on using balance scale method. However, we'll be focusing on equations with the variable on both sides of the equal sign. The principles of the balance scale. Remember, anything you do to one side, you must do the same to the other side to keep it balanced. And keep in mind, that is one way of keeping your balance level. Let us explore this equation. X minus 1 equal to x minus 1. To represent this on the scale, it simply means we need a red circle on the left and also a red circle on the right. Now for my variables, I'm going to use green since it is positive and another on the right. So the principle again says anything you do to one side, you must do it to the other side. Now, even if I remove my x's, I need to do it to both sides. Even if I remove my constants from one side, I need to do it to the other side also. Now let us use this principle to solve the equation. Given this equation, for example, 2y plus 2 equals y plus 8. To represent this, I need 2 on the left and 8 on the right. In this case, I'm using yellow for positive. Now for my variable, I need 2 y's on the left, 1 y on the right. Now as you can see, variable on the left cancel one variable on the right. Now I'm left with y plus 2 equal to 8. Now I'm going to cancel out constants. As you can see, two constants on the left cancel out two constants on the right. There you have it. Y now left with 6. Hence, the value of y is 6. Let us look at another example. X minus 5 equal to x minus 2. To represent this, there you go. Now, canceling variables. There you go. Now canceling constants. There you go. Hence, the value of x is negative 3. Look at another example. 3x minus 2 equal x plus 4. There you go for the representation of that equation. Now, canceling variables. There you go. Now, we have 2x minus 2 equal to 4. Now, to cancel this negative 2 with two positives on the right, if you watch my part 3 video, then you get the understanding of this. So, to cancel this, we need to introduce two positives on both sides. Now, focus on the left, you'd realize that a positive cancels out a negative. Hence, I have 2x's equal to 6 positives. Now, to find the value of 1x simply means that we need to share my 6 positives equally among my 2x's. Hence, the value of x is 3. One more example. 2, open parentheses, x plus 1, close parentheses, equal to 10. To represent this, 2 outside of my parentheses simply means that I need 2 sets of x plus 1. So there you go. X plus 1 and another x plus 1. On the right, I have 10 positives. Now, as you can see, I don't have variables on both sides. Hence, I need to go ahead and cancel constants. Now, I need to cancel 2 constants on the left with 2 constants on the right. Now I have left here 2x equal to 8. Now the value of x would simply be that I need to share my 8 positives equally among my 2 x's, and that would give us x equal to 4. There you have it, another video from the Brown Math Center. Please subscribe using the link shown on your screen. Until then, see you next time.